Morning, kiddos. Happy Monday. Today's math mashup has some fractions, and we need to talk about what each of these items are. So this first picture here is of an EKG. That's a heart. This is supposed to be a virus, and this is a pill. So you have to find what the EKG represents, what the heart represents, what the virus represents, what the pill represents, and then what the question mark represents. I would start with a line that maybe you could add up some things to equal something. So think about what you've learned about fractions in previous years, what you've learned this year, and start there. Remember, if you have any questions, you can email me or you can come to the Google Meets that we have every day. Also, you can answer this either in video format via Flipgrid, or you can do it on the Word doc. Have fun and good luck.